Today, I'm going to show you how to create and upload decals using Roblox Mobile. It's quick, easy, and perfect for customizing your Roblox experience on the go. Let's get started. First things first, open the Roblox on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you can download it from your web store or app store. Once you're in, simply log into your account and tap on the three horizontal lines or the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click Create from the menu. This is where you'll find options to upload your decals. Now tap on Decals or Upload. Depending on your app version, you'll be prompted to choose an image from your device's gallery. Make sure your image is appropriate and meets Roblox's decal guidelines. After selecting your image, you need to add a name and description for your decal. This helps identify it later. Once you've filled in the details, tap Upload to submit your decal to Roblox. Your decal will be reviewed by Roblox before it's available for use. You can check the status of your decal by going back to Create section and selecting Decals. And that's it, you've just created and upload decals using Roblox Mobile.